Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this character in Blender. This very simple character, anybody can model this type of character in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was a reference I was using, and this is our model. This was a reference, and this is our model. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.